recent suspension of Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Tokunu. Meba na mabeka imun semni. Siya de mekwa mana so na me lawyer Dominic Brenya Esq inkomo. Oye private legal practitioner. Ye taje ne nchen futuo ne tie ono so se de o eka fan samu afa Ghana me mra ho. De asie who say lawyer so to me kan me channel pay wa Kessben FM and Kessben TV Plus so.
Me mejoso.
Na mpo me de
Yakopon dom so e.
Na me dey chain. Like it say some process is any udi nkomo fa enipa bi eche so me petition akoma mampani say Chief Justice why dem be etia mra eno nti enye nhwemu na betumi a enyini mfiri ho enra krata free mampani aso ya ba kire say wo mo ahunu say ampa asemi wo hwa wo say Chief Justice be ya no say dem ka say prima facie case etia no eno nti mampani asset a 5-member committee na wagina so suspend the Chief Justice say one traffic kopim say e be kana sam na wie process fa so the baby abedun ray lawyer who say
You mean am that ohwemu constitution no said there 146 e can pass so remove third positions no so far eno na omanpanyin nam so a or they did you but the other is say the letter in front of the constitution okay yeah democracy somewhere
this station rules the nation.
President Kuma time we remove Chief Justice
yeah
na bad democracy yeah it been CB and those are the things that as a practitioner of law I think that there's a loose link missing links our constitution na politicians take advantage of it.
Article 146 yigina so na ye de afasa process ma bidru hey baby a asem ni gina pa yetumi a mampani ana ahode mampani wo se wono na oyi committee ya obahwe Chief Justice asemu na ebra committee be ye adwuma no otimi suspending no eho na asem ni gina so okay article 146 clause 10 na will say the president may, in the case of Chief Justice, acting in accordance with the Council of State, by a warrant signed by him, suspend the Chief Justice. Lawyer for which they must say a shadia a mandate a media and say opa and not obey. Dear Mampany and Ray, who say?
Yes. I'm right, your man consider also kind, 14610, and my plan say, during the time man of my penny, a former committee, to me, I suspended Chief Justice. And then say, in fact, Oko and see a crowd or say, or suspended that. And next year, would you class a revoke suspension on time in the game? And the man, maybe can make us say, there's a loose end in the constitution. There are lacunas. We know, I think that Mr. Constitution dynamic, a working document. The affair actually had been especially the Fourth Republic Constitution. And she imagine who say judicial and other state independent institutions, they are not protected. So you president a fast track for impeachment.
Yeah.
Speaker and answer parliament. And I think that the politicians protected themselves during the drafting of the 19th constitution.
Okay.
And other ones, I say, you will quite be to say, oh, you bet me, but you're to protect you.
Lawyer said, okay, Ghana or may any that's when you na the judiciary. It a soldier for to me you cool. Na ya dissolve parliament constitution na ya suspended, but judiciary there be a ho se be and to no nyina ho na to kotwa obi ani da so. Say the bay manfo nsa fe de politician do mo saka judiciary no e de go basa obi aba obeyi nipa wa wo ho a onim se be ne opponent e de buy no buy ya na afa kwa bi so na ya wo nkunsa unu said the separation of powers, the independence of the judiciary no going forward no e adwuma
yeah and some abay the dream one me emi Now we are all not safe. So there was a prepare panel. The judiciary is the button of hope. That's the lender of last resort. The BBI and Cosino. What do I say about dying? Your courts, the judicial system. Now say a bonus is here no. I'm on yourself for no almost a matter. It's as okay, NDC MPP. We defend it, we condemn it. I said no. Now you crack on change. You see, I know. Ye ko anymore. Say President Mahama to action to you that to talk on it or not will be bad. Apart from be bad, on also be the Ohana. Dear Nana judiciary. What is their independence? Because I need no, you will say you will judges over somewhere, even political actors. But immediately I will take judicial oath. No, I can be said you administer justice according to law, not by your political affiliations. Because this is a crack one. It's a court to be able to but at least you could transfer with the aftermath with the man and a year. But see, I know and say, can say, oh, be the canker, so you buy, you know, and as a man, yourself will be the canker. Oh, you be, you know, you bet yesterday, you judges the banner. Then, not, yes, said judiciary. The Ama Mobia, a few magistrates, I can the last Supreme Court judge to the justice, no. Say, and I yet to my form no. You see, doesn't mean say, would watch some court. My judge, if you were him so it into it, I court. Would you buy with or manufacture with mu? And no, the baby as a man, that's what the brand the baby as
the nation.
Lawyer, any na ya pesa problem ya my home. If you say, sorry, your constitution, 1992 constitution, ya, Emma Mampeni Quine. Say or no and our pal Justice of the Superior Court, Free High Court, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, or no one as our pal Chief Justice. Yeah, to the beer, oh yeah, Chief Justice be you no. Now seniors be ewo Supreme Court ho. Enti ye knew ya, nebia or more one said be sabe the way yanke be a cry be ye lawyers, judges na ache the tumi o Mampeni Samuntino. Ena odena ba se si asemo aye kodie committee e kwatraso no Justice Gabriel Pamani oye chairman no 2015 ena John Mahama Breso odene call Supreme Court wo mo aka nyina eye MPP for aban so ne do mo call enti NDC aban hu no se ade no ase politics ena omo de ye omo nyini pa onni omo political inclination sa tumi na ye de amama mpani a ono atimi yi justices no ekosa Supreme Court ho no atimi appoint chief justice irrespective say oba ekora nche e wo Supreme Court no atimi be chief justice no would you say e ade pe be boy?
Yes, because ideally the oka say in yes for ni apa obi foforo amana be chief justice no e be boy no ideally and seniority na ye say to be a panel say edumi so but entita if we think no so one question sama president for buy
yeah
and I say yeah man that Rollins and Breast no and the most senior na te bia na e appointed as chief justice but na obi anka watem even the last first of buy president for you know justice Dominative the wood or no most senior but and also no but
and also me kai say honsem kakra bai okay Justice Pegane Joyce Bamford I don't know what happened Brian Powell Justice George Nawudu no said they were peeved and amebo
yes and no abanyofo na from one you say I dey tibi akoyi we
yeah
yes naturally you be peeved say o matra ha che nke do me so and e dey akomo bi nse dey wo ho and e manya ita abaya abaso yi the senior members of the party bi wo ho a yeah, appointing Ranchi to be minister.
Yeah.
But don't you come up and think because it's not entitlement. A man in Cheshire. So, and yeah, Sir President appointed members of the Superior Court justices, and I say Chief Justice. And what you're appointing, if you say like the constitutional year for some time, that's the M1. This is the time to change it. You do come say be a better son. But Ghana the America the no the president appoints to be a Supreme Court. You know, say this is the person ideology.
Yeah. Ono at me kasa me a Republican. We kasa me a Democrat.
Exactly. Into the idea of say the ideology in say be a LGBT asama ana obebu akọ.
That's right.
Ma ye de ne ente saa. Ye say ya pa o de. Ba ukọ a koye adwuma according to law. You want judges bebra no mukra party positions. PNDC time. But on be di asemo ana so me ye judge na. Wutumi hu say omo de mra eye adwuma. Asisi anu na ye de amanyosem no ewura. Sabi obi otene ba before no ompe no ase ni nua bi ama ye ni bi nti no ye na for no. Se ne ho no so wo. Na bugina po ne John Jinapo omu ni anuafo.
Aye.
Nti ya amanyofo no aka ho. De bia no fonye Jacob kan sem bi sa sem ba na amanyofo do mu semu. Ni asasem.
Ho na mi gine say asemba na amanyofo do mu semu a. Say utie commentary ekoso social media so a NDC fo ani age say chief justice suspended no MPP fo no so buafu say democracy ni asay no omampeni mahama ye campaign o ka say judiciary ni bias oba obe balance niema ohunu say campaign promise no ye ho adwuma and a due process of law na obi dia ba petition no na ekose de o say krobebebe
yo minia unim say ye mra cry obi bia ye friend say antecedent you be say random no bi enti ye mra no na wa hwa say NDC free PNDC AFRC PNDC na bae
yeah
no mo proceed and AFRC ni PNDC no do na no mo ye mranimfo fi say omo fa mra enye adwuma say mo ye tribunal system kwa ni ade ana itimi de obi kwa ye tribunal chairman say be number no ne no mo di so ntia no na didi ma maduna on fi se bia ye de asem court tankofo di omu nyina na etia ye na enye so do asem court bia so do we amanyoni we na say we aban ateso na so di some order ai famra kwan mu a na be di bem ntia mfa so di nsem 20 beko na court no edi etia o na nsen a yewura that person court dani
yeah
court kona 2012 election petition na do court a court dima President Mahama say ya to abama nti on international no na e court kuro ya
okay
na mo machire no asebi a nse bi enkoye ma wo dia court e bia na wasem no appointed de e tonko fa so no but mremu no emfa kwan na se editia wa enu tu enkyere say o say o ka say court no e bias towards that o say wo so hwe wo no na hwe say asema me de question e wo nyina so but see the area no ya na say ya person MPP judges and the NDC judges and the me hu no and na separation of powers asema okay there were 3 arms of government
sure
like executive legislature and the judiciary but we said yes we are to judiciary no asset the other ones no me some hardcore politicians no you know almost
Omasem kraba say efa minister na president ho a party fo nyina be sori ayetwoboyi efa mrashabadwafo made the same thing efa judge ho a unti say uniam judges and lawyers obi a sori etwobo om de na e ja say the PBI enye omo is it
in
fair?
fact among send that crime ni PR session and they are not supposed to come out to talk to speak we are judge we are MP to ko party kosa utumi ko ba bia kweli ba we are judge na ko party bia se ko ha de una no we ti hey na wadamfoni na obi hu so na obi ti baabi don we that time be see that's sapalu obi so ko hu so ne wo one sala mo ewo baabi no monsa na sa dan kwan kosa na so on preko om ko ye omo sebo preko ho nti wa anko kora bo don nti that is no there omo enye safe na they say almost what you would asem now obey ba we are so transfer no you have no cover no protection you see idea o my president has suspended no committee no recommendation be bia no president ni control so I say or recommendation here adwuma
but the president set up the committee mampeni na yi nipa num say Supreme Court judges mienu mo na mo nkodi mo boss asem and what nipa miensa aka ho can we say president ni say also
Yes, but no, because was sent to committee in here. Committee in there on the advice of the Council of State. And why, yeah, about him. I have been to take record the dome. Yeah, I say in consultation with the Council of State on the advice. But Supreme Court, so that it will say the advice of Council of State is not binding on the president.
Yeah.
Upon offer.
Hey, futu.
Upon offer. Hey, futu. But yes, President Biano, so was set to committee. We can only hope. The president you are a power with the American on you. At the panel power paying for you. Would they act according to their conscience?
Yeah, look at the composition of the committee. You were Justice Puaman, Justice Asiedu, and you were former Auditor General Domelovo, one lecturer for University of Ghana and one from the Ghana Armed Forces. Uhunu committee say me in particular. Me sure be said Domelovo one MPP abenya banta pa na sem say waburu fie du siani ade call Supreme Court ni asem no kra antem yebu awie na che say judgment na aba no emfaso bi ani so uhunu sa di passe say wonko tra committee so na onko di chief justice na chief justice ne subordinate mienu enko tra so ni asem a mom ye constitution this way no how dey mementi ase papa.
Yeah, we say yes, and because constitution there are loose ends.
Yeah.
There are lacunas. To quote the movie, I'll say, yeah, they review, no. I hear if you just animal. The crash say, colleague, only the most Supreme Court, now you say, oh, better assumption. Maybe I better not, or no, be some question. It's an awkward situation.
Sure.
Very awkward. And, Obi to say, Mr. Domlevo, be over can say a brand new term any ye chairman call na accumulated leave, whether wrongly or badly. Now you no not some court the Supreme Court. A chair, name still you cry, you demand serious no the court. The woman says that time no. That's a talk no Supreme Court judge. But I still not breast. The one man judgment in there now obey CJ. By the time of the case in the court, you know. Which means fast one. But at least not a member of the Supreme Court. Yes. And then the two other your friends said members, you know, of the committee, you know.
Before so we call two other members, you know. Justice Gabriel Parmine, one of the only member of the Supreme Court currently, NDC are buying Abreso. Jomahama Abreso na 2015 koye. Justice Asiedu, MPP Abreso from the koye. Or can 5-member committee now say committee injunction against the suspension of the Chief Justice here. Your friend case last week, and to me amaso because not on tiapo. But or no, and I say wabeka hua you could disask me. How do you see that? Now senka obana ube here suspension application when to me ama now he's a member of the committee equity Chief Justice asem. Who no say?
Actually, in some of my teaching the say it be a no hint of this committee. It may be a wama. They make it meaning.
Yes, pepe.
And non for fee say a wapayo. A bishop say, oh, you'll be a no bench justice because peace of bar Supreme Court, you know. Yes, be a or to
yeah.
And now because panel be a senior musna at national. With that, panels, no, the Chief Justice was no, Justice Puaman and Maso, and now say Justice Bakuboni and Maso. So I know how much to be we all presided. Now we say it's not my presided, and I say, the only thing I say, Chief Justice we was very active Chief Justice. And or more of the judicial work than the administrative work.
Okay.
The case with Bureau are not all today. Unlike those days I got wood, which is a presidential petition, was meant transport.
Enti say who two Chief Justice say you are suspended no. President bit me revoke suspension ba bra nyanye yi. Say who two no fo ka be ka say lawyer Martin people just say the iron ma men on resign. Say obekwa akotra pa na ni juniors was Supreme Court adoso no na Domelovo no mo busa no nsem ye say petitioner ba kon ononko ane allegations ye be 20 na for fraud ye ka ho no. Do you think she should resign peacefully and go Sa de we me kwa me yeda ya bi a de besi bia na enye yie and I say uncle no could defend himself.
Minia, the last thing you should do is to resign.
This station.
If you are
rules
resigning
the
now, it's
nation.
an admission. Say, I now yeah no.
Why
Why
you
So and so if you say when you're born, so there, vindicate yourself. The anyway, you say and you remove. You say yes, or time be the remove. Yes, one now jump here, and that's why as I'm simple amount. I buy no also.
Okay.
See, to me, dear, you should go and confront her accusers. Say, we now say my year. I just say so. I take it to my new crew
And then the back.
and then the back.
Yeah.
Maybe so I can say, or more condition of service. You are entitled to those pets.
Yeah. My kind of me no nyina.
And fan of 4 So 4 was he misled? If she did, what is the outcome?
To me, grounds. And not to me, the grounds for removal of Chief Justice.
Yes, of misconduct, grave misconduct.
Okay.
Every time man, if he's the president, auditing say man until the more Mr. Dominic Brenya Esq.
Okay.
I want to also believe and give them say this I'm paying for because Mr. Dominic no can around. We are doing money in our way. No, Mr. Also, no everybody in that. Some are plain gossip. I want to believe that he will be truthful to his conscience and perfection as an auditor, and will not do anything say because the president said this will be the outcome, so go and do it. No, I don't want to believe that now. For now,
finally, say omo de base bi a Chief Justice ye hwe mu no sem kwadu de aba odi fo ti mampani e ho kwan so yi ni fra kunwa so a obetim de akọ Supreme Court say committee ni na ni yie ti ye suspend na say the committee ne kan ne montungu e mara ma ho kwan sa.
Unfortunately, no it's not provided.
I see.
So you have an appeal against the conclusion of the committee set up in this way. But we can still test the law.
Interesting. Provision bien your say President Nyaru Boku ya.
You have the right of appeal.
I see. But I think it's not fair.
That's what I'm saying. Say, judiciary, there's no protection, there's no safeguards. Because committee, normally committee, other committees, president set up normally, you say white paper, your president betting ajatum, the onion tomb, and when the president need any option than to go by the recommendation of the committee.
Lawyer, you say, you heard the BCH, we are by bidding come with us if you are not paying.